If you recall from section 8.1, we found this particular model for the percentage of Americans who are text messaging. We actually multiplied it by 100 at the end, but what we did in this problem was we just took the 100 and multiplied it by each of those numbers in the numerator. So this is the correct model that we found from section 8.1. And this was the percent that are text messaging at t years since 2000. We're supposed to find t when f of t equals 30, and what does it mean? And we are totally going to use intersect on our calculator. So you go to your calculator and you go to y equals, and you type in negative 93x squared plus 2100x minus 2350, but you put it in parentheses. You need a parentheses around that entire numerator. Then you close that parentheses, then put a division symbol, and then parentheses again, and then write the entire denominator. 0.0068 x squared plus 2.72x plus 278.2, close your parentheses. You have to have parentheses around both. Then for y2, you want to be 30. Then you're going to go to your window, because it won't be set up anything good, and you try to make stuff up. Like, I'll start at 0 for my years, and I just made it up. I went to 20 for my years. Scale is 1. That means how much each tick mark worth. That's fine. And then the y min was 0. The y max, I figured I want to see 30 on this thing, so I figured let's go a little bit above 30, 35. So I picked 35. You could pick 40. You could pick 32. I mean, you're just trying to get it so you can see what's happening at 30. And the scale, again, is fine at 1. That just means each tick mark's worth 1. You can make it 5 if you liked. All right, I'm going to press graph. And there it is. So it graphs the two of them. And I want to find the intersection that's up here. There's two of them. You can see there's one on the left, one on the right. So you go second, calc, pick number 5, which is intersect. It's saying, hey, is y1 equals blah, 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 blah. Is that your first curve? So I want to say yes, so I press enter. Then it hops to y2 equals 30. Is that your second curve? Yep, press enter. And then make it so your cursor is closer to whichever one you want. So if you want the one on the right, move your cursor kind of farther over here to the right and press enter. And you found it. Let me take a picture of that. And then let me do it again. Second, calc, number 5, enter, enter. Move your blinker over to the left, left. There we go. So as long as that blinky guy is closer to the left, then you'll find the one on the left. And press enter, and there's the other one. So I'm actually going to copy and paste these into here. But you would, of course, in your notes, just make one picture and have it say both of them. I, unfortunately, am not doing this by hand, so I have to do it this way. So I found the one on the left and the one on the right. Now, what does it mean? It means that in the years 2009 and 2012 or so, right? About 30% of, oops, that's a comma, sorry. About 30% of Americans were text messaging, according to the model. All right, we're all done with that section. I'll see you back here for more videos maybe later on in Chapter 8. See you, bye.